The spark plug uses the electricity generated by the ignition coil to create a spark which ignites the air-fuel mixture in the combustion chamber. The intense heat in the combustion chamber, along with the high voltage used for ignition, will cause the spark plug to wear. The electrodes will wear away with use, causing a weak or inconsistent spark. If the fuel mixture isn't just right, the spark plug can become coated with carbon or tar, again causing a weak or inconsistent spark. If the fuel mixture is too lean, or if the wrong spark plug is used, the ceramic insulator can be cracked. The spark plug should be inspected often and replaced at least once per year, or more often as needed. Replacing the spark plug is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the spark plug wire from the spark plug. I like to use a special tool to pull the spark plug boot, because these can be a little obnoxious. With the spark plug wire removed, now I can remove the spark plug. And now I can install the new spark plug. Before I thread it into place, I need to check the gap between the electrodes. I'll do that using a spark plug gapping tool. I'll use the tool to measure the gap. For this particular engine, the gap should read 30 thousandths. This one's just a little bit tight, so I'll open the gap and check again. Now it's a little wide. I'll keep adjusting until it reads 30 thousandths. And that looks good. With the spark plug properly gapped, I can install it back into the engine. And I'll finish by reinstalling the spark plug wire. And that's how easy it is to replace the spark plug on your small engine. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.